it's hard to find good help. I think that's never been truer than today. I mean, we have such a shortage of talent happening all around the world. So when you do find great people to work for you, you do not want to lose them. And there's all sorts of polls out there about what is the number one thing that employees want in a job. And you probably know what it is.
Yeah.
A good boss. It's a good boss. So the number one reason for losing good people is that they don't have a good boss. So, and this is impacting billions of dollars every year. It's amazing. I've actually even worked at very, very senior levels, COOs, CFOs, and publicly listed companies who run, have 85,000 people reporting to them, and they run multiple continents and thousands of people and so much money. And they walk in my office miserable. Oh no, I love my job. I love my job. I don't like my boss. It's just astounding, right? And people will leave because they don't like their boss. So it's costing companies millions and billions of dollars every year. And this is more true than ever now, Chris, because members of Generation Y, they won't put up with a bad boss. In fact, the number one motivator that came through in a United Nations report about Generation Y said, I want a positive relationship with my boss was the most important attribute, a motivator. And this was across 60 different countries. So Think about that. Gen Y has much lower tolerance for bad bosses. They will just go work for somebody else.